it's lockdown time and you and your family are craving for a variety of food but have limited resources. That's why I'm going to show you how you can use leftover roti and make delicious, easy dish. Welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa and let's utilize leftover roti to make Indian Roti Tacos. और हम ये रेसिपी शुरू करें उसके पहले मैं आपको अपने दूसरे चैनल के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ. आप सबके डिमांड पे मैंने वो दूसरा चैनल शुरू किया है जिसका नाम है एट होम विद अल्पा इन हिंदी. ऊपर जो लिंक दिख रहा है बस उसे क्लिक कर दीजिए और हो जाइए सब्सक्राइब मेरे उस दूसरे चैनल को भी. और चलिए अब हम शुरू करते हैं ये रेसिपी को. So guys, to make this dish, we are going to need about 4 leftover rotis. The amount of stuffing we are going to make is good enough for 4 rotis. You can always change the quantities according to your own need. Also guys, this dish turns out so good that sometimes I make extra rotis just so that I can make this dish. And now we are also going to need 3 medium-sized potatoes which are boiled and grated. And to the boiled potatoes, we are going to add about 3 tablespoons of boiled green peas. Guys, you can add any kind of vegetables that you have left over in your house in this. Along with the peas, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of chopped onions, followed by 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander, which is dhania. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of grated cheese because it's kids' favorite. And then we are going to add half teaspoon of ginger chili garlic paste. Now it's time to add 1/4 teaspoon of the turmeric powder, followed by half teaspoon of amchur powder, which is dry mango powder, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper powder, followed by half teaspoon of mixed Italian herbs and half teaspoon of chili flakes. Also guys, let's not forget to add salt as per our taste and then let's give it a good mix. And once everything is nicely mixed in, our stuffing is ready for use. So let's take the leftover roti and fold that roti into half. Make sure not to press it too hard. And then let's fold that half roti into half. Again guys, make sure as to not press it very hard. Otherwise it will start breaking. And now let's fill this stuffing into one of the pockets. And once we have filled the pocket sufficiently with the stuffing, then let's just gently press it down. Looks like I'm going to need little more, so I'm going to add that and press that down as well. And once we filled it, then let's press it on the sides again very gently. And now it's time for us to fill the second pocket similarly. So guys, once both the pockets are filled with the stuffing, just make sure that they are nice and even. And see, our Indian roti tacos are stuffed with the stuffing and now it's time for us to shallow fry them. So I've already made 2 and now I've taken a pan and I'm adding some oil to it for shallow frying. And once the oil is nice and hot, then we are going to start adding our Indian roti tacos on the pan. I'm going to add both of them at the same time and we are going to cook them for the next 2 to 3 minutes on a low flame. Guys, make sure that you cook them on a low flame, otherwise the bottom will start burning and they won't get cooked from inside. And now let's just flip to the other side and let's cook the other side as well till the time they're nice and crisp and golden brown in color. After another 2 minutes, let's flip them and let them stand on one side and let's cook that side as well. Similarly, we are going to cook all sides in the same manner. By the way guys, you can always use fresh rotis as well to make this dish. And now that our Indian roti tacos are nicely cooked, let's remove them off the flame and let's apply a little bit of ketchup on top of our stuffing. And once we are done applying the ketchup, I'm sure the kids are going to appreciate the fact of we are adding the ketchup inside. And once we are done adding the ketchup, let's apply a little bit of save. This is totally optional. If you wish, you can do that, but it just looks very nice. That's why I'm doing it. And once we are done with one of the pockets. We're simply going to repeat the same with the second pocket. And isn't this looking absolutely delicious, guys? I know you are going to love this, and I know that your family members are going to appreciate the fact that you put so much effort and so much thought into making something delicious for them. So do make it. Do let me know what you think about this recipe. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. And if you like this recipe, you're going to like all these other links that I have shared with you. So please do click on that as well, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button for my new Hindi channel, which is At Home with Alpa in Hindi. And I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye bye.